Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to hire a freelancer on Fiverr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that we're going to do is switch to buying by going to profile and then right here you're going to find switch to buying. Go ahead and click on it. And right now we switched to buying on Fiverr. So right here in the top, you're gonna find the search bar. Right here, you can search for any service that you want. Here, you're gonna find notifications, messages, lists, and orders. And you're gonna also find right here switch to selling if you have a selling account. Here you're gonna find your profile picture. If you click on it, you can go to profile, go to your dashboard, you can post a request, refer a friend, go to settings, billing and payments, change language, currency, and lastly, help and support. So in order to hire a freelancer, we're gonna go to the search bar and search for any service that you want. For example, I'm gonna search for a service right here. So, for example, I'm going to choose background removal. And then, as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find the results for your search. There is a lot of services. You can choose any freelancer that you want. So, for example, I'm going to choose this one. Click on it, and then they're going to take you to the page of this service. So, right here, you're going to find some pictures for the service. These are some examples. And right here, you're going to find the name of the service. And here you're going to find the offers. As you can see, guys, this guy have only one offer. I'm going to show you guys an example of people who has more than one offer. For example, this one, as you can see, guys, this guy has three offers. So there is a basic offer with $10, standard offers with $20, and lastly, premium offer $100. So you need to choose the offer that you like, click on continue, and then right here you need to choose if you want single order, subscribe to save, additional license image. So any offer that you like, and then click on continue. And then the last step is to add your payment method, either your credit or debit card, or you can also add your PayPal account. Once you do that, you can confirm and pay your order. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.